Mastering the Cambridge Writing Task. Know your requirements. Hello, English learners. Today, we'll dive deep into a crucial part of the Cambridge English exam: understanding the writing task requirements. It's not just about writing well, but writing what's asked of you. Let's break it down. Before you put pen to paper or fingers to keyboard, it's paramount to comprehend the task at hand. Why? Because failing to understand the requirements can lead to off-topic responses. Imagine writing a fantastic essay, but it's not answering the question. Your effort might go unrecognized. In every writing task, there are some core elements that you should identify. 1. Purpose. Are you asked to persuade, describe, compare, or narrate? 2. Audience. Who are you writing for? A friend, a formal audience, or perhaps a newspaper's readership? 3. Content points. These are the key points or topics that need to be covered in your response. They guide the structure and depth of your essay. 4. Word limit. Remember, being concise is as essential as being comprehensive. Sticking to the word limit ensures your content is focused. Here are some useful strategies to make sure you're on the right track. 1. Underline or highlight keywords. As you read the question, underline or note the main keywords. This helps you maintain focus. 2. Rephrase the question. In your own words, try to rewrite the task. This ensures you've grasped its essence. 3. Brainstorm before writing. Take a few minutes to jot down ideas, arguments, and examples relevant to the task. 4. Check as you write. Every few paragraphs, revisit the task to ensure you're still aligned with the requirements. The best way to get better? Practice. After understanding the task requirements, attempt different writing tasks. With each attempt, refine your approach and check if you fully addressed the task's demands. There you have it. Understanding the writing task requirements is half the battle. Now, equipped with these strategies, you're set to tackle any Cambridge writing task confidently. Remember, it's about writing what's required, not just writing well. Good luck, and keep practicing.